You're working in the assignment tool on D2L and you find there are a bunch of duplicate categories or maybe unwanted obsolete categories. What do? It would be nice if the folks at D2L would create a tool for managing these categories, but at the present time there isn't one. Here is a way to clean up those unwanted categories. Create a new assignment. You could use an existing one, but to prevent accidental deletion of the assignment, let's create a new one instead. Assign one of the unwanted categories to the new assignment. Save the new assignment. Notice that now you have the ability to delete the category. Simply click the trash can icon for the category. Now edit the assignment and add the next unwanted category, and repeat the process until all of the unwanted categories have been removed. Now that all the unwanted categories have been removed, we can delete the assignment we were using. That's it.